sweet. They go big.
Oh, I bet. You're going to do it again at dark?
Yep. It looks awesome at night.
They're going to come up, I hope.
Yeah. Sorry, it's so shaky, standing on top of a table. And swatting bugs.
boys. See all that? Got the door. Here's your interior. This is what I gotta see all the time when they come down. Let's see here. This is what he sees when he goes down the track. Ain't that neat? And here he is, man of the hour.
Hey now.
So, how you enjoy doing this, man?
Absolutely love it. It is a blast. No pun intended.
No, yeah, don't want any of that, eh?
No, we don't want any of that. No,
We
no
love doing
fire,
this.
no fire. Of course, we want lots
Yeah,
of it.
none unintended
No.
fire, but we have lots of
lots of
lots
fire.
of intended
That's-
fire
That's what pyro's
from
all about.
all these guys up here. That's what we want to see. And yet,
Absolutely.
how long have you had pyro?
We've had it just under a year right now. So this is our first year, and everybody just absolutely loves it, no matter where it goes. Sitting still, it looks fast.
He was just at Elgin Mall, was it? Yesterday?
Yeah, we're just at the Canadian Tire. Yeah, hanging
Oh,
out.
Canadian Tire.
Yeah, the
Okay.
Canadian Tire
Plaza
store,
there.
and it was just awesome. Lots of people out. Thank you for participating, and
Oh, thank you for coming out.
awesome.
This is great. It's like I'm the as being here at St. Thomas Dragway Park. I am the top end safety, so I get
really,
to see.
really important guy. For us guys, they're all of that. They're always there for us at the top end.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're
It's
welcome.
good to hear. But yeah, no, we're to get to see from the other end where no one else gets to see. Hopefully, I'll have video today of being at the top end of him coming down at me. I'll have Jess be doing that videotaping, hopefully. But thank you, Rick, for
Thank
this
you.
little interview here.
Thanks, man.
A little unexpected.
Oh, no
but
problems.
Chewy saying, talk to you guys later. Have a good day.
Peace out.
So cool. I got it.
That was amazing.
I got hamburger stuff all over one hand. I wonder if Andy got stopped in time to catch it.
I don't know, but that was awesome.
There's Pyro, the jet truck. All the way up there. Sorry it's so shaky, guys, but I am so zoomed in it's hard to keep it on it. So, I'm gonna back out here.
Started the turbos.
Ah,
Turbine.
you can hear the turbine start.
I should have seen the jet.
Hope you guys can hear the horns on that truck from down here. I could hear
Hear
it.
it when it gets closer, that's for sure.
Oh, I got all that smoke.
Look at that. Amazing. Looks like a white bush. Can you see that?
Wow.
I tripped out a white trucker on the road.
Oh. That exhaust or smoke is just obscuring the trees behind it completely. You can see it.
Yeah.
So cool.
Don't know if you heard Chewy said he freaked a trucker out on the road because there's a road right behind the staging lanes and the starting area there. Like not right behind, but far enough. So all that smoke tripped the guy out. Look at it all.
That's my daughter. You can hear in the background. She's filming for her own vlog. Oh, it's getting close to takeoff time. These things take time because they're great.
there goes Chewie after him. Make sure everything's okay to help with the parachute. Now, isn't that cool?
Awesome.
Let's get a close up of there.
Wow.
Oops, sorry guys, had a bug on me. There's Chewie helping him with the parachute. Not a lot of, as far as I know, not a lot of top ends do this, or not a lot of the racers trust the employees to do this, but Chewie's loved out here. And there's, oh, where'd he go? Oop, there's one of their crew.
Yeah, the Pyro jet four-wheeler or go-kart or whatever you want to call that.
See if I can zoom in a bit more without getting too shaky. Woo! There we go. There's Rob and Pyro's new driver. Yeah. Okay guys, this is probably going to end up being the end of our video for this weekend. End with Pyro, unless of course we might be back in a minute at the Dragster goes. Or in a few minutes, a minute for you, not even. So, maybe we'll see you soon, maybe we won't. Bye guys. Back again for a minute. There's Pyro.
Alright, so our drivers are strapped into their hot rods.
That's awesome.
Serious competition here, I understand it, guys. They want to go before the jet, but I made the call.
Nice close up for you.
Our race in is, it took an extra 10 minutes for us. Obviously, you don't want your competitors to burn their cars down. Put a show on.
Alrighty guys, so we might be back, we might not.